Hi there, welcome to QA Box Let's Test. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and if you like the video, give them the thumbs up.
Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about two keywords, break and continue, and I'll be using for, if, and else and switch statement. So if you have not watched my videos on for loop and if else and switch case, then first watch those. In this video we'll solely concentrate on continue and break. So what is the purpose of continue? Continue is used to skip that one iteration. Alright, so if you have this for loop and you do a console.log route without that if and else condition, you simply print the value of I. If you run that program, right, what you see is the value from 10 to 1. Okay, so now I'm going to add that code. All right, and what I'm doing is, as soon as the number is completely divisible by 3, just skip that, don't print that value. Okay, so therefore I'm making use of the continue keyword. So now when I run this, you see what is the result that we are going to get. So we have 10, then 9 is skipped because 9 is completely divisible by 3, right? 8, 7, 6 is again divisible by 3, and so on. So that's the purpose of continue. It's going to skip that one iteration. Okay, now what about the break? So break is used to come out of the loop, right? So in case of for loop, if you have the break statement, right, it is going to break out that for loop. In case of switch and case, the moment you have the break inside a case statement, so it is going to come out of that whole switch statement. Okay, so let's check that first for loop. So here what we are doing is, again, it is going to print number from 10 to 1, but because of this if, what we are saying is the moment I is equal to 5, break out from this complete loop. Not just one iteration, break out of the complete loop. So let's run this now and see what will happen. So we get 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. The moment the value of I is 5, this for loop is over. Okay, so that's about for loop and break. Now let's see the break concept into switch. So here, let's see that. So the expression is 10, and in the case, the first case also holds the value 10, and second case also holds the value 10. So both matches with the expression. However, the moment the first condition is being met, it goes inside that and it finds the break keyword. It comes out of this switch block of code. Okay, so let's see that. So what we see in the console is first case and this value. What will happen if I take this break out from here? So if I save that, it will not break out from this case. The control will move on to the next case. It matches and it will print this value also, right? So let's see that now. So therefore, this is what we get. Okay. So this is about break and continue in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.